So here we are today, nice winter day, 30 degrees outside here in New York. I just want to take a quick video of these tire saver ramps that I picked up from Amazon. They are made by Bunkerwall. They were $65 shipped after tax. And I just want to show them off. I'm going to be installing them under my turbo car, which doesn't see a lot of usage in the winter time. But here goes the ramps themselves. So this is a single ramp. And what I have here is I have them stacked as a double ramp, just in case anybody who has wider wheels. You can use these ramps. They are 8 inches wide. I'm going to be putting them under my 19 by 9 and 19 by 10 inch wheels. If you are using wheels that are much wider than that, you can probably still use them. I would just double stack them like this. They are made of plastic. Turn them over here. Got a little honeycomb design on the back. I don't think they're rated for heavy duty vehicles, but any light truck or passenger vehicles should be fine. They do have this nice little spot for storage. You can put a screw on your wall, hang them up when you're not in use. They also have holes so you can screw them down as well if you don't want them to slide. I have heard people have issues with these sliding on smooth garage floors. Outside at my home, it's not smooth whatsoever, so I don't think there's going to be any issue sliding. But I have seen people put either grip tape, like for skateboards, or just silicone or rubbery surface that this won't slide so much on. So I have it here. It's wedged under the tire. I'm going to go around and do all 4 corners, and then I'm going to slowly drive up and put them onto there. I had the front already done. This is one of the rear wheels. Just going to take it, try to center it as best as I can. Again, these are 10 inch wide wheels. It's 245/35 tires, so it's a little bit wider than 8 inches, but I think as long as it's centered, it should do all right. Alright, so all 4 wheels are up on the ramps now. It was actually a bit harder than I thought it was going to be. This car is manual, it is turbo, it does have summer tires. So it did tend to slip a little bit as I was gradually trying to climb over. I didn't want the tires to spin, but they did spin a little bit anyway.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try your call again.
But they are up. Everything looks alright. The only thing I don't like about these ramps is they are yellow. Kind of stick out like a boner in sweatpants, but if it bothers me that much, I'll probably just end up painting them black. But for what it's worth, I think it should do the job just fine. This car's gonna be sitting for the next week just because there is salt and stuff all over the roads. You can see this one, a little bit of spin action, but you got up there, the ramp held up. I definitely suggest these. There are a couple other brands that offer them as well, but the big money, I didn't feel like spending that on a set of ramps for the car. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.